Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siya Hlazia. Guys, what did I tell you yesterday about Uti? We will never find in OB, the occurrence book that is looking for Attorney Sipho Ramasipili, because they are gatekeeping it. Okay, they will never take it out, bruh. They are hiding something, those people. It's very clear to purpose or something. And they are trying to explain it to Ubaloyi, this thing, yena nomntanakhe uBaby Ronnie Orosa Sibanda, and lelega Orosa fika nganami ngalithola on the comments. Yes, please, ne, it didn't come with me. So they can't even explain see what's going on, and they're busy pushing it. So I know the state is the one that's gonna explain, and also we've given them the originals. I'm just like this. That's not what Attorney Sipho Ramasipili asked you. As long as the you've just brought now, please, can we have the stuff that we asked for yesterday? The OB, Igandans, please. Attorney Ramasipili was actually breaking it down to us, that they are sequential. If they are, where is ours? It was removed. Yakish, Jane, you're not on its own. Why? You want to there's something there that's not right. And I knew it, guys. I was just like, you know what? It's gonna get the OB. People won't give it to us. And I always say, it's crazy how it's just one person, that's keeping all of that. And also, if Ramasipili feels like SP13 is not helping him, that's how he feels, guys. That's not what he wants. The state can come and be like, because to me, that came like to gaslighting me. It's like, take whatever, we've given you enough. But that's not what I want. Yeah, I want an OB. That's all. Where is it? Even the shura to abuse. Like you asking wrong person. I'm getting away up. Even Umnisi had to add, you know what? It's not hard. Just give us what you're looking for. That's all. The person who received the when he came to Valeria police station, just give us that. What's hard? Attorney Ramasipili refused to bow down. He was just like, no. States was a keeper the information and the court had to adjourn. Imagine what you when you done news on again, and now you was busy forcing them. But I know it's a certain route. It's not hard. Most nango no more hola is here. No, they were just like, no, please stop. Even Umnis was just like, please, just leave us.
Now, sorry, so how will it help you if it's not here? You say it's pivotal.
It is, my lord, but
wait, and it's missing.
So how
according to you?
Not according to me, it is missing. Not according to Ramasipili. According to the state, the prosecutor and the officers from Valeria. Ramasipili never said it's missing.
So where it is? Where is it now? Because you are saying it is not missing.
I'm saying it's not missing. I'm saying I want to use it, it's not here.
Where is it, sir?
The court is asking the wrong person.
Okay, they say asking the wrong person. Where is what Mr. Ramasipili is looking for?
As we've indicated, my lord, that a search is still underway for that register. When accused number 1 was under cross-examination, there were extracts of the occurrence book from Valeria police station that were handed in for the period 30 May to early June, and we're just trying to establish to 8 June, 31 May to 8 June.
8 June?
Yes.
Okay.
We're just trying to establish if it doesn't form part of that month. And secondly, my lord, we just want to... I'm sorry. 31 May 2020 to 8 June 2020. And secondly, my lord, we just want to correct and we're saying this with the greatest of respect to Mr. Ramasipili, that the SAP 14 is not helpful. It is helpful. There's a column where it shows whether any exhibits were handed in the SAP 13 column. There's also a column for the SAP 22. so one can see if any property has been handed up. So it's not correct that it's not helpful.
ngaphambi ukuthi-ke siqhubekele phambili umbuso-ke uye wasukuma wasetshela inkantolo ukuthi-ke inkosi enkantolo-ke sesibanikezile abameli-ke lama-register labo bewafuna yokuqala-ke ewu-SAP 10 neyesibili-ke ewu-SAP 14 ngaphandle-ke kwale occurrence book-ke le enobufakazi-ke bange-2 zikaJulayi ngo-2020 sabanikeza futhi-ke nama-affidavit manje uRamusipile wathi inkosi enkantolo-ke ngiyakuzwa konke lokho kodwa-ke into esiyifunayo kakhulu thina njengabameli nokuthi bazoqhubeka nolofakazi khona namhlanje ile OB le ncwadi le OB sokwazi ukubona ukuthi lapha kule ncwadi lokurekhodwe ini khona ke futhi uyachubeka ukuthi ke bathe-ke uColonel Briet uyena ke owathatha ke wonke lama register wonke ama register atholakele kodwa yena le ebaluleke kakhulu esiyidingayo namhlanje ke ayikho la inkantolo ke asukume ke umbuso ke athi umntana balo ke cha ke ningamfaki ke uBriet lapho ngoba ke simnikezele ke ilona ilist yonke yama register labe niwafuna kusukela ngayo 2 July ngo-2020 ufika nge-25 zikaJulayi ke yakhombisa lo akhisha uBriet ke wonke la athatha uBriet wonke akhona la inkantolo leni ifunayo ke current book ke isafuna namanje asikayitholi ke basayisesha ke nasema officeini ethu achaza uMramusipile ukuthi ke yona ebalekile kakhulu ngoba ke yona ke nofakazi afuna ukubona kubo kukhona ukuthi ke ngempela ke wange into ngalenkathi eboshwa umsala wesibili ke into angena nazo ngaphakathi ngoba ke le cell register le anyike izinto azochaza konke okwatholakala kuyena ngalenkathi ke elona eboshwa yena ke umsala lo wesibili ke uthi kombuso ke okwamanje ke isafunakala ke lo register le inkosi enkantolo yabuza ukuthi ikuphi kanti lo register lenkhuluma ngayo na athi Ramusipile cha umbuzo omuhle lo kodwa ke amelanga ubhekiswe kumina asukume umbuso athi ke le register lesafuna namanje basayisesha yona le register le kodwa athi umbuso futhi kodwa ukubalekile ukuthi ke uRamusipile kufuneka azi ukuthi ke kuyona le lasinawo la khotha ama register kunobunye ufakazi ke obuvelayo be-SAP 13 kunecolumn ye-SAP 13 necolumn ye-SAP 22 lapho ke okubhalwe ku-occurrence book kuyavela futhi nangapha futhi kule cell register le esinayo noma ke mhlawumbe ungaveli konke kodwa khona okuningi kwakhona okuvelayo kulama SAP 13 nale SAP 22 esinazo la enkantolo.
Yeah, can we start then?
Accused number 2 is raising his hand, my lord.
Yes.
Number 2's hand is up. May I
Yeah.
approach?
Maybe this issue is not only about the registers themselves. It's also about the information that is contained in the register, because amongst others, it is not so clear as to who received Mr. Ntanzi when he arrived there at Fileria. So without that register, it's cumbersome to determine who is the person that should actually be identified as a recipient of Mr. Ntanzi there at Fileria. And that is the person who should actually account to a lot of issues that I think Mr. Ramusipile is still having, and probably some of us as a defense area are still having. Unless the state is in a position to say this is the person who received him there, to a greater extent that will minimize all that which is happening here. And that information, my lord, can only be contained in the register. So it's not entirely accurate to suggest that other registers are helpful in respect of what the state has just indicated, because we also want the identity of that person who received him, as per the evidence of Colonel here, that there's a person who he's been handed to and that person takes him into custody. So we don't know who that person is. That is also the gist of everything that we want to get. Without those registers, we just flying to nowhere.
Uyachaza ke ummeli ukuthi ke inkosi enkantolo ke asiyufakaze phela kuregister funa ukwazi ukuthi ke ngalenkathi ke uNtanzi ke ethathwa ke ayiswe eVileria ubani umuntu ke owamukela uNtanzi ubani futhi umuntu ke owafaka ke ovalile uNtanzi ke ngoba manje umbuso mawuthi ke akhona amanye ama register ningasebenzisa wona akusiqiniselo lokho sifuna yona le ekhombisa ngoba lo muntu owamukela uNtanzi uyena ongakwazi ukuthi mhlambe asifaziyele konke okwenzakala ngalenkathi ke uNtanzi egcina ngaphakathi. So iyadingeka le register ebalekile kakhulu ukuthi ibe khona la enkantolo sokwazi ukwazi ukuthi ubani umuntu owamukela uNtanzi futhi ke ubani umuntu owamsesha wathola futhi ini futhi uNtanzi ngalenkathi emsesha.
So you guys are not able to make head or tail of that, in other words?
we are not a custodian of the books, my lords. Those people
You know what?
who are
Let me
probably-
tell you. Let me tell you what you guys should do. Go and get the registers of Velaria, right? Velaria, and go and get the pay slips of the persons in Velaria. You will determine who was paid what on what day and who was employed